Okay, here we are inside they call it the nacelle, which is basically the top of the turbine. And inside the nacelle you have your main shaft here. It's kind of hard to see, but it connects itself to a gearbox right there, which inside that gearbox it changes the revolutions, multiplies it times about 100 times faster. So this shaft here would spin at 13 revolutions per minute, and once it goes through the high-speed gearbox back there at the generator side, it is then spinning 1300 revolutions per minute. And attached to this main shaft, up through our hatch, you have your blades. And this is a 80-meter turbine, so each blade, the diameter across the blades would be 80 meters. But kind of a cool view up here on top. And here's a view of the park. This park has 240 turbines on it. But pretty peaceful up here. You can sit up here and get a sunburn pretty quick. But I'll take you back in here. Okay, so we have the main shaft going to the gearbox, which goes back to the generator, which is right here, which is about the size of I guess you could say a VW Bug or maybe a Honda Civic. But this is what produces the electricity. Once it receives the rotational energy, it transfers it down tower and back out onto the grid. So just kind of a basic view of what we got up top here in the towers. But it gets tight up here, but usually you'll spend all day up here, 8 hours, working on this, whether it's greasing, changing filters, or troubleshooting electrical problems. But there it is.